Welcome, everyone! Today, I'll show you how to enable screen lock for autofilling payments in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring only you can use saved payment methods. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your device. Look for the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. From the menu options, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Payment Info section. Finally, turn on the switch for Verify It's You to autofill payment methods to enable screen lock verification. When you use Autofile Payment, that's all it takes. Now, your payment methods will require authentication before autofilling, keeping your transactions secure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.